Yeah, this is way stranger than autopilot on the highway, I gotta say. Oh, no way. I guess that kind of makes sense. You can always have it go fast on the speed limit. I just changed the max to 30 in a 25. How much faster will it let you go? Oh, come on, really? Oh my God, I can tell it to do 61 and a 25. Slow down, for crying out loud. Holy crap. Slow down, slow down. Oh my God. What the? All right, that just doesn't make sense. That just does not make sense at all. All right, I'm gonna try this again. Just max this out. 60, 61. See what happens. Go in the other direction. I think I got up to 40 something, maybe 50. Oh my God. Oh my God. 53, 54. I mean, come on. This isn't right. This is not right. Oh, man.
Oh my God. What?
That was weird. So I had to hit the brake for that. I mean, I don't know if I had to. I don't know what it was going to do, though. I mean, I just found my foot going down on the brake and it bing bing, like I thought for sure it would have stopped. I mean, come on. That's a little crazy. Now let's try to step through this slowly. Frame by frame to see what happened. I may have just gotten out of FSD a little too soon. Have I no confidence? Well, I do have confidence, but not that much. Okay, so if we look here, we see that the path is good. You know, the car is going to take the correct path. Here, next frame, not so good. Head on. Head on. Head on. Oh, well, maybe not head on, but, you know, there is a tree and a mailbox to the right of the car. Still bad. Still okay. Bad. 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 I mean, you know, that might avoid the car, but again, we have some other obstacles in the way. Let's see what we get next here. I'll let you know when FSD kicks off or when I hit the brake pedal. The screen here goes black. Okay, so now look. The FSD is still on and it decides that the path is still good. Now look, we're doing 20 miles an hour, which doesn't seem that fast until you're in the car and it's heading straight toward another car. This car was parked, by the way. You could see people were getting in or out or whatever. So, you know, it looked like it was going to go around. And here, I believe, is where I dropped out. Yeah. I said, you know, no thanks. I don't really want to take this chance. Also, when I was driving, I mean, I was pretty sure this car wasn't coming towards me. But again, you know, you're heading straight toward a car. You're not really going to stay on it to see what FSD is going to be doing. So while the screen is blacked out, that's when it was, again, that's when I stopped it. And eventually the screen comes back on here. But you can see it's no longer picking a path because it is off. Oh, actually it is picking a path. And then finally that was kind of odd actually, because when the video is running, if you stop it at that point, as soon as it goes bing, when I turn it off and hit the brake pedal, the screen goes black. That is, I've confirmed that a number of times now. It is when it's shut off, but the steering wheel was still blue, which is kind of interesting. It takes a little while for that to turn off, I guess. And here it shows if I were to turn it back on, it did correct the path. So, is this really a failure in its entirety? Kinda, yeah. Um, but technically, I guess you would say no, because the car would go around it. But meanwhile, you're in the car kind of crap in your pants, okay? That's all there is to it. So, you be the judge. Let me know. Fail, pass, fail. What do you think?